Natuama Pablo Pakasalo Kudegeza Kampala downtown.
Hey guys, so today in this video we shall be exploring Kampala downtown. We shall just be walking around and seeing how Kampala downtown looks like, and it's just a beehive of activities here. There's no much difference between Kampala downtown and Nairobi downtown. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's just a beehive of activities, people everywhere, hawkers going on with their businesses. It's a really beautiful place. This was my first time in Uganda, and walking around Kampala city was so refreshing. It reminded me of Nairobi city. Yeah. Kampala city is coming up quite well, and one thing I realized is that the city is based on hills. Yeah, it's a hilly place and it's quite beautiful guys. I've shared other videos about this place and I hope you've checked them out. Kampala is quite beautiful and it's coming up quite well. So we'll just be going around this downtown area of Kampala city and I'll just be showing you how everything looks like here. Yeah? And you'll just be hearing the real sounds of Kampala city, no editing, so that you can feel the real vibe of Kampala city. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please stay with me until the end so that you can be able to see the full stretch where I was able to cover, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you like it, please don't forget also to share. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So with that, join me until the end and let's enjoy the video together.
Umenyenye sawa na kakangi vita iyali kivya umenyenye sawa na kakangi vita Nasana wakisona mngona. Wakisona nasana mngona kasira. Nasana wakisona.
Tigo.
Mimi nikiponda mchele na imani kwa hizi plus mbili tatu. Utasikia.
Ah,
Natu apa? Kau belum pakai selalu punya gaza. Customer aku nak waktu tu nak korban ini. Kampala, Uganda. Look at that, guys. Beautiful.
Hey guys, this is Honel and this is Speech Vlogs. Please subscribe right now.